Very good morning, children. See, in the last video discussed about what's the concept of trigonometry. The trigonometry ratios you will discuss. Okay, sin theta. What's the formula sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse side. Similarly, 6 trigonometry ratio you will discuss. So now in this video, what are the topic you will discuss means the introduction to trigonometry. The exercise that is 8.1 exercise. We will discuss the example problems. Okay. See, now the first sum, if in a triangle ABC at right angle at B, see AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, first one sin A cos A, second one sin C cos C. You find out. Is clear? See, in a triangle ABC. Right angle at B, okay, right angle at B. But first we will choose right angle point. What's it here? 90 degree. So here I will choose the point B. It's clear? Here I will choose the first point B. Next see remaining point you will choose. Suppose here A, B, C or A, B, C. So no problem. So remaining two points you will choose any side. But it's very important. Right angle at B means you will choose the first point B is a right angle point B. Is clear? So now I will take the points A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. See, what are the data are given? AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Here AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Is clear? BC. Here BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A. First you will find out sin A, cos A. In a triangle ABC, so we know that AB side and BC side. But first you will find out the unknown side of AC side. That means hypotenuse sides. First you will find out. So using the Pythagoras theorem, what's the concept of Pythagoras theorem? Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC square is equal to AB square. What's the AB square? Here 24 square plus BC square, that is 7 square. The meaning of 7 square, that is 24 square, 576 plus 49, that is equal to AC square is equal to 625. It's clear? So now we are taking the square root value. So I will take the AC is equal to square root of 625, that's the value of 25. That's the meaning of AC value is equal to 25. So what's the first question? I need sin A. That's the point of sin A. Okay, here I will choose that's the value of A. It's clear? A sin A I need. What's the formula sin A? Opposite side by hypotenuse sides. Where is the opposite side? Here same, this side should be opposite side. Here BC. Opposite side BC by hypotenuse sides. What's the hypotenuse sides? AC. Okay. And now here BC. BC is equal to opposite side BC 7. 7 by AC 25. This is sin A. Is clear? Next, what's the question? Cos A. Cos A, you find out. Cos A is equal to, what's the another formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent side? Here should be adjacent side. Remember? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means AB by hypotenuse sides AC. Okay. That's again cos A is equal to adjacent side AB is equal to 24 by 25. Is clear? This is the first two. What's the question number 2? Sin C, next cos C. Is clear? The second one, okay, the second one conditions, sin C. You find out the sin C. Sin C means you will choose the here theta. Okay, that's the meaning of point C. Point C based where is the opposite side? Here, this is the opposite side. Here, adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse side. So here, C. Based sin C is equal to opposite side. That's the meaning of AB by hypotenuse side is AC. That is the meaning of AB. What's the value of AB? Here AB is equal to 24. by AC. AC is equal to 25. Next, what meaning I need cos C? So cos C is equal to, what's the value of cos C? Here C, that is the adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? BC. That's the meaning of BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay, that's the meaning of BC is equal to 7 by hypotenuse is 25. This is the problem. It's clear. So the next problem, same exercise 8.1 exercise, question number 5. What's the question number 5? Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculating all other trigonometry ratios. See, what are the other trigonometry ratios? Sin theta, cosecant theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Total 6 trigonometry ratio. One is given. You find the remaining 5. Okay. Same way, here secant theta. Okay. What's the formula of secant theta? Here solution. Okay. Here secant theta is equal to any right angle triangle do not mention. So we will choose any point. Here one right angle triangle. Here which is a one right angle triangle. I choose the point A, B, C. Okay. Here I will choose that particular points with the theta. Here theta only, so I will choose here theta. See, secant theta, what's the formula? Suppose theta I will choose with this side is the opposite side, here adjacent side, here hypotenuse side. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse side by adjacent side. That's the formula. Now hypotenuse side is 13 by adjacent side 12. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. What's the concept? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square, what's the AB square? AC square, that's again 169. 169. AB square, I don't know, that's the meaning of AB square. Plus BC square, it is 144. But here it is just simplify 169 minus 144 is equal to AB square. What are your conclusions? Here 5 to 25 is equal to AB square. Okay. What are your conclusions? AB is equal to 5. That's the 25 means AB is equal to 5. Here AB is equal to 5. Is clear? Now, first I will find out sin theta. What's the meaning of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side. Here opposite side. What's the point? Opposite side AB by hypotenuse side AC. Here opposite side AB, it's the meaning 5 divided by AC. AC is equal to 30. Sin theta. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to what formula? Hypotenuse side by adjacent side. Is clear? What's the hypotenuse side? AC by AB. Here AC is equal to 13 by 5. That is the mean sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So reciprocal. Okay, you take reciprocal, no problem. Next, that's the mean sin theta is equal to 5 by 13 means. So you will choose cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. We know the formula. So here 1 by sin theta. What's the value sin theta? 5 by 13. That is equal to 13 by 5. You will do it that method also. No problem. Any one method you have to solve. Next, the second one, second ratio. This will find out second ratio. Third one, cos theta. What's the meaning of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Where is adjacent side? Here BC by hypotenuse side AC. Apa equal to adjacent side 12 by hypotenuse side 13. So we know the secant theta already we know it. Next, the fourth one, tan theta. Fourth one, tan theta is equal to what formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. Here AB, what's the AB? Here 5 by adjacent side 12. Similarly, next cot theta. What's the cot theta formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by opposite side. What's the adjacent side? BC by opposite side AB. That is the meaning 12 by 5. That is, cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Here, tan theta is equal to the reciprocal of the cot theta. This is a trigonometry ratio. Why trigonometry ratios? So, given one is given total of 6 trigonometry ratio. So, any one data are given. So, remaining 5 are given. Same problem. Suppose the given problem is 12 secant theta is equal to that is given means you will change whatever you will change secant theta is equal to that is by 12. You will change automatically. You will find out the values. Is clear? Any problem? Suppose any problems given this multiplication means all terms are converted to the denominators. Just will find the theta, sin theta, cos theta, whatever it may be. Is clear? Thank you. Same next video. Same this concept exercise 8.1 exercise based on this another two sums, another important sums. Thank you.